Alright, today we're going to figure out how to paint a Klondike bar.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what is a Klondike bar?
Alright, let's run through the colors.
Titanium white, Mars black, twin red, magenta, Indian yellow, phthalo blue, twin blue, phthalo green.
Get the party started.
Alright, we're going to work on the Klondike. We're going to add some kind of crumbly so you know there's ice cream between there. Fill in this, and give more three-dimensionality, a little bit wavering in the chocolate.
So a Klondike bar is a square piece of ice cream, and then it's coated by chocolate. Really simple creation, and it was created in 1922, sold at the Ice May restaurant chain, and later was bought by this guy Clark, and he kind of expanded distribution to the whole US, which is kind of strange. The Ice May restaurant chain didn't think of this. And then later it was sold to Breyers Group, which was part of Unilever at that point in, I think, the 80s. So yeah, it has a whole bunch of variety. Interesting enough, Kraft kind of tried to steal the silver wrapper idea that Klondikes have, and they got sued and then lost the case, settled out of court. But that's the history of the Klondike bar, and it's named after the Klondike River in Canada, Yukon. Thanks, guys.
Alright, we just finished the paint. Let's take a closer look. So it's this nice kind of warm orange with light blue bottom, and it's just kind of a chocolate square. I don't know if it reads exactly like a Klondike bar. I should have probably put that silver wrapper unwrapped and then maybe bite into it with one bite missing. Probably would have made it more believable. Right now it just looks kind of like a brown square. So I don't know if people are going to buy this, but you know, who knows. I think it looks okay. Hopefully you guys like it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting review. Thanks for watching.